Hi guys, so I'm on to do Scrampy Mummy's Altered Card Challenge Prompt 3, which is birds, and have a wee chat with you guys and stuff, and show you my cards for last week. Well, the last time I done cards prompt 2, which was butterflies, so I just wanted to come on and show you them. There we go. So, I don't know guys, so I did this one, well, this is for this week, this is prompt 3, which is birds. So I'm gonna do it and see, but I'm gonna see how things go guys with this video, because to be honest with you, doing the videos is starting to stress me out a bit. Between the webcam not working properly and having to do it on my phone, then I bought a tripod and that wasn't working properly, and I'm having to make do, but my sister had to make me a kind of thing so that the tripod would actually work. And then just the fact that I can't pause the videos, and then the videos are taking so much space up on my phone, and just, I don't know guys, but what I'm trying to say is, I think we, especially as well, because not a lot of people are actually watching my videos, and it's just, it's not worth the stress, to be honest with you, for 2 or 3 people watching my videos. I really appreciate the people that are taking the time to watch my videos. Amanda, and Michelle, and maybe Nikki. I think that's the only people that are watching it, because, you know, they're my friends. But I don't know if it's really worth the stress that it's causing me at the minute to do the videos. Because just nothing's going right, and because I took a break for doing videos, and I'm trying to get back into it again, and I'm so rusty, and I'm really nervous when I'm doing it. I'm finding that I'm really getting nervous when I'm doing them and struggling. And I don't know if it's just because I've just not long went back on my meds and stuff. I don't know if it's that, and with my mood being low and high, and you know, I don't know, but I'm just finding it really stressful doing videos, and the fact that nothing goes right with them, and the fact that barely anybody's watching them, and then when I'm doing videos and putting them up, YouTube are turning off my comments, and then I've got to upload the video, let them turn off the comments, and then go on and turn the comments back on. And then probably by the time I turn the comments back on, the people that have watched the videos can't comment because they've already watched it, and they're not going to come back to see if I've turned the comments on. So I'm not getting any comments either, because stupid YouTube have turned off my comments every time I put a video up now. My comments are getting turned off. And I've marked my videos as not for 13-year-olds or whatever, you know, so not for children, so I don't see why they're turning off my comments, and it's just really starting to annoy me. And I've tried to do this video about 6 or 7 times now, and yeah, it's just, I just don't think it's worth the stress, guys, doing videos anymore. I might be wrong, but I'm thinking that in future now I'm just gonna do pictures in groups when I'm doing challenges and stuff, and just maybe just gear up my channel, and just, you know, feeling that I'll not if I don't gear up the channel, I'll just maybe make short videos and do it that way. But I'm seriously thinking about getting it up. I'm not enjoying doing videos as much as I used to anymore. It doesn't make me happy. I lost my mojo for a long time, and I'm just trying to get it back now. But if it's getting to the stage that I'm starting to get stressed to do art, because I know I've got the pressure that I need to do a video, then it's not going to be fun anymore. So I think that this may be my last video, depending on how I feel later. Could just be because my mood's a bit low at the minute that I'm feeling like this. But I'm sorry for making this a negative video. But I don't know, guys. I'm just not into it anymore, and I really don't want to keep getting myself stressed out and putting pressure on myself to do a video when I really don't need to. As I say, especially if barely anybody's watching my videos, then what's the point? And I'm trying to find my black paint. Don't get me wrong, I'm enjoying doing this. I'm not going to give up doing this challenge. I will still take part, but I'll probably just do videos rather than... Yeah, I'll probably just do pictures even rather than videos. I don't think this is going to work. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. We'll see. So what I'm trying to do is do this Lego thing and just make some circles. I don't know if it's going to work though. Oh yeah, it did. Okay, so that's that. And we'll get my bird and put that on. But it's just the fact, guys, I can't do a video for as long as I like or whatever. I've got to kind of hang it and like. Normally, I prefer to pause the video so I can dry. And I can't even do that because I can't pause the video. Oh, so yeah, it's really starting to get on my nerves. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see how I feel, guys, but I really just can't be bothered with the straight now, so I'm trying to move all this out the road so it's not all cluttered, so you're not seeing a big cluttery mess. Yeah, I don't get it. I'm just gonna bring the bird out. But yeah, I'll still take part in challenges and stuff like that. But as I say, I'll just do it off camera. I just want a wee strip of this down the edge. Should really be using my tacky glue for this, but glossy accents looks so quick, doesn't it? I really want to try and get some of that art glitter glue, but when I'm looking on Amazon, I don't see it. Do they do it in the UK? Like, can you get art glitter glue in the UK? Is it, like, I tried to check on Amazon and I don't see it. I don't know. big, but just a wee bit. I don't think this is going to work well, guys. I really should have chopped that off first, but you know. Let's just try and go for it just to. But you get what I mean, guys. Look exactly what I'm talking about. Like nothing's going right. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. So I don't know what I'm going to do, guys. What do you think? I don't want to be a pure, like, negative Nelly and just give up, but it's just... It's just really starting to annoy me now. The fact that I didn't write on the video. It's stupid YouTube with all these rules and regulations now, and just all because, you know, it all happened with this polls or whatever their name is, you know, with all the scandal with them. It's like, oh, I will just punish the wee guys for what the big guys do, you know what I mean? It's kind of annoying. Because it was ever since he did that everybody else get, like, they brought in the oh, you need to be, you know, the under 13s and blah blah blah. It's like, oh, you can't swear in your videos, you can't do this in your video, you can't do that in your video. Like, you know something that wouldn't bother me as much? If I was actually earning some money out of it, but I don't monetize my videos. So, my videos shouldn't have advertisements because I don't earn anything from it because my videos are not monetized. So technically my videos shouldn't have ads. So why do I need to make sure it's all these rules and stuff like that? You know what I mean? I don't know. It's so annoying. But anyway, if this is my last video, which I'm hoping it's not, I'm hoping I can get my webcam sorted so it doesn't make that noise. I don't know if it's the sound or whatever. I don't know if it's a webcam or it's the actual computer. I don't know. But I'm kind of hoping it's not my last video because I do like doing the videos. It's just lately I found the last couple of videos I've just been really stressed trying to do them. So yeah, I don't know. I just need to wait and see, guys. I don't know. But what can we use for him? What word should I use? Right, so the last one, what is it? One input. So I'm just gonna have a look at these cards that I've made before. Make sure I don't repeat the words. And then the other ones are in here, but I didn't use words for these for them. So I don't want to repeat my words that I use, so I've used imagine, inspire, create and journey. So and then we've got believe. Should we do art? I know what I should be inking my words, but I don't wanna, because I'll probably draw around them or something. I don't know. So we've got art. There we go. That's how it looks. Kinda plain and simple, but nice. And I'll show you on the back of these ones as well, as I've put some kind of thing on the back of them with the date, just to see when I'd done them and the prompt. So this prompt is birds, and then the next one I do will be, obviously I need to re-go some of this. The next one I'll do is Alice in Wonderland, and then the next prompt after that is birds. So I've still got quite a few prompts to catch up on. So I'm trying. And it's kind of annoying because I put that over that one and that one's under that one. But this one already had a thing on it, and I've lost the ribbon that I was using, so I had to put that on it. But so yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'll do this prompt. I might do the next prompt, I'm not sure. And then I might just start just taking pictures of the prompt, maybe doing a short video like flicking through the cards and showing you what the cards are, and I'll just do a short video on them. And I've lost my pin again. Oh no! What's not on the floor? Oh, there it is. I see it. I see it. I see it. So yeah. But if you've watched this and you can't comment because the comments are off, please come back in maybe 10-15 minutes, and I should have the comments working again, and leave me a comment and let me know you watched it, because I really want to know who's actually watching the videos and if they're enjoying it. Because I want to know if it's really worth my while doing videos, to be honest. Because it's really hard, because like the phone will only store a lot, you know what I mean, and then it takes ages to upload it and all that kind of stuff. So I just want to know if it's really worth my time and effort doing these videos, or whether I'm wasting my time. So we'll see. But anyway guys, I'm going to go because I'm just going to finish the rest of the cards off camera, and give myself a wee bit of a break, because as I say, I've been trying to make these videos for about 3 hours now, probably 2-3 hours. I've tried it about 7 times, maybe that's exaggerating a wee bit, but I've started video, stopped it, started it, stopped it several times, and I'm a wee bit stressed out with it all. So I'm going to go and I'm going to try and de-stress, get ready for bed, and I'll do the other videos, the other cards, and that's how you can tell I'm really stressed and tired, because I'm getting my words all mixed up. But I'm going to try and finish these off camera, and then if I do another video, I'll come on and show you next week, or the next video I'll put up with the next prompt. I'll show you these cards when we're all finished, because that's just a starter. I might add some no stenciling, but outlining and stuff like that, like I've done with these. I might add some more to them. But alrighty guys, I love yous all, and if I'm going to have a think about it, and if I do decide, I'm going to see how this video goes, and if I do decide that I'm going to give up my channel for a bit, or forever, or whatever, then I'll let you all know. I'll come on and do my wee video, give you an update on what I'm decided. But I'll still be watching, so don't worry about that. I'll just not be recording videos, but I'll still be watching everybody's videos, because it's mostly you guys that have got me back into crafting again. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I'll be watching the videos still, but I'll just maybe not make them anymore. But I love yous, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye. Thanks for watching.